9:35 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I wanted to do a quick update here. I'm on the East Coast here in the United States of America. Sorry, I just got done teaching a class. As you know, I came on earlier and I had opened up a short position, but I closed it, as my class knows, before the end of the daily close, because we just started getting some volume in the positive direction. So I ended up closing it, and what I did was I ended up opening a small long position, and it's up 12% right now. I lost like 60 something dollars on my, well, not quite, like 50 something. That was like 60 something. But I opened up this long position when we started getting this volume in, and it was at 14.84. I opened this, just $248, a 20x, but it's just a small position, a small amount of money. And if Doge does run off, I would rather just do something like that. Because it is showing in the 30-minute a bullish divergence. It's showing what looks like a bull flag here. And I figured I would rather do that. And I got out of my long position, or my other short positions, as the market looked like we were starting to get some volume in, like I said. And man, am I glad I did. But now I'm trying to parlay it into the long position with just $250, a 20x leverage, which turns it into $4,000. A very tight liquidation price, though, but it's just a strategy that I'm employing right now if we do have a run in the market, because it's safer to me to only risk $250 as opposed to losing it anyhow if I put a bunch of money on it. So this is what I'm going to do, and sometimes when you see these big volume spikes, you have to make a play. So this is the play I'm making, and if it goes down, as old Bessie says. But you look for volume, and right now we have a cross, and just the shorter time frames, we have a bullish cross from the 20 and the 50, which means it looks like we still have a move to be made here with Doge. And I wouldn't be surprised if we retest 1550, 1560, maybe even pop up a little bit higher than that, because we did create a quick W reversal here. So just pay attention, because this could be an opportunity here. The market does look like we're going to have a short-term reversal here and maybe test some of these drop points, which is very common. So I wanted to come on now before we had all these crosses in the 30-minute and just let you guys know. I'm looking at heavily to buy a position in Matic now that we're going to cross the 20, crossing the 50. And the problem is, though, let's see where this move would be. I don't know if we can get back to all the way up there. That's the problem. It just looks like we would have small reversals here. And if we get back topside of $1.48, it would be a lot better for Matic. It does look like we might be starting to have a market-wide reversal here, at least for the very short term here on the 30-minute time frame. And I want to make sure everybody sees this so that they can be out ahead in case they want to make a decision. If you guys want to get in a position, make sure to join the Telegrams if you want to see what I'm doing. But as you can see here, we have some engulfing candles, and it looks like we're going to start to come up and create a bullish divergence here in the short term, the 20 crossing the 50. So this would be bullish for today into tomorrow. So pay attention to what I'm saying, because Doge has already started this. And this would be for the immediate short term. And we can only go by what we're seeing. But in the immediate short term, Doge looks like it wants to make a little reversal here. And the rest of the market looks like it's starting to follow here. So pay attention. And I'll be back shortly.